Minecraft Creeper 123 here, and we're back with another video. Anyway, guys, we are back by the railroad. Railroads. I'm gonna be over because I want to show you guys the railroads. The railroads. Yeah, the railroads. The railroads. The railroads. Yeah, they're awesome. Yeah, they're the railroads. Yeah, yeah. Down there and down there. Huh? Ain't that cool? Now look there. Look over there and stuff. You're gonna like see railroad ties and stuff. Look over there. What is that stuff? Who knows? Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you the railroad. Even up a closer up visual of it. Crazy, I might buy it. Yeah. Wait, what is that down there? Oh, it's a rock. Never mind. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you that. I maybe do a video next days that involves me looking around on the railroad and checking stuff out. Anyway, guys, just wanted to show you that, and see you guys all next time. Bye!